Hi, boys and girls, welcome back. This is your science lesson for this week. And to get ready for today's science lesson, you will need your science journal. Take that out and please find the page that starts with "What do animals need?" It's also marked lesson 2. It has some animals right in the center of it. And you might need a pencil if you're deciding to do the work today. All right. So last week when we met for science, we learned a little bit about what plants need in order to live and grow. Do you remember what plants need? You're right. They need light and water in order to live and grow. Well, today we're going to do a little bit of thinking before we dive into our lesson about what do you think animals need? Now, if you have a pet at home, this might be helpful for you to think about. I'm thinking about things that Domino needs. What are some things that we need? Let's think. Well, just like plants, animals also need water. They need water. What else do they need? You said food. You're absolutely right. They need food. They need to eat. They need water so they can drink. That gives them energy. What else might an animal need? You're right. If you said a place to live, a shelter, a place to live, you're absolutely right. Let me draw a quick house here. Not all animals live in a house, but I know Domino does. And your pets do. Can you think of anything else? What animals need? They need food, they need water, they need shelter. Well, why don't we go into our lesson and find out? That was some good thinking. You can follow along on the screen, or you can look in your book and listen with me. What do animals need? Oh, how cute. Look at that dog. I'm just going to minimize me a little bit. Lesson 2. What do animals need? Oh, I just noticed something in the picture. What's the doggy doing? It looks like he's taking a drink of water. Dogs are animals. What do animals need to live and grow? Discuss. Does your family have a pet? How do you take care of your pet? Now stop for a moment and you can turn and talk to whomever is in the room with you. If you have a family pet, how do you take care of that pet? Now, if I'm thinking out loud for a minute, I have a pet and his name is Domino. And the things that I need to do to take care of Domino is I need to feed Domino, I need to give him new water. When he has to go use the bathroom, I need to let him outside. And I also need to make sure he has exercise. That's important too. I know I give him treats and toys and things to stay active in the house. Animals also need to sleep at some point. Domino sure loves sleeping. When you're ready, you can come back. Let's observe this phenomenon in the middle. Cats eat food and drink water like humans. Have you ever had a pet? Do you know someone with a pet? What do pets need? How do pets get what they need? Are pets able to go and get the food they need and the water they need without a human to help them? No, Domino relies on me. He counts on me to be his helper and to make sure he gets what he needs. On the lines, here's what you're going to do. Think of what you already know about what animals need. Write questions you have. What could you wonder? What might you be wondering about um what animals need? Do you think all animals eat the same kind of food? Do you think all animals get their water from the same place? Do all animals live in the same kind of shelter? I know our pets live inside our houses. Are there animals that don't live inside a house? What could you wonder? Write down a question or two that you might have. Let's read. What do animals need to live? People have many kinds of animals as pets. Dogs and cats are common pets, but other animals such as parakeets, hamsters, goldfish, rabbits, and snakes are pets too. Talk to a family member or friend. How do people take care of pets? What do these animals need to live? As you are talking, circle what each pet needs to live on the following pages. So there's a parakeet, hamster, goldfish, rabbit, snake, and cat. What do you think the parakeet needs in order to live? Does the parakeet need food, water, toys, cage, tank? Which things does the parakeet need? Same for the hamster. What does the hamster need? Food, water, toys, cage, tank. What's the difference between a cage and a tank? I think it'll make sense when we see this next picture. What do the fish need, the goldfish need, in order to live? Food, water, toys, cage, or tank. I would keep fish in a tank because it's solid and there's no holes in it. So the water stays inside the tank. A cage has holes in it. Do you see the lines? There's openings so air can come in and out freely, but the animal stays inside. Last three, we have a rabbit, the snake, and the cat. Go ahead and circle the things that those animals need in order to live. And the very last task for today is match the term to the picture. We have a picture of a plant and a picture of an animal. Label each one with the right word. And what are some things that all animals need to live? Do you need those same things to live? You can draw a picture and write your words down below. Have a great day, boys and girls. I can't wait to see what great scientists you are.